Emma, where is the giraffe? Em, do you see the giraffe? There. Good girl. Can you put it down? Good girl. Emma, where is the zebra? Mommy will help. Em, where is the zebra? Zebra. Good girl. Can you put it back? Put it where it goes. Emma, where does the zebra go? Good girl. Emma, where's the lion? Good. Where does the lion go? Yeah. Emma, where is the gray elephant? Yeah, where does the elephant go? Good job. Okay, Emma, where is the blue rhino? And where is the blue rhino? There, good. Where does he go? Go. Where's the alligator? Good. Good girl. And Emma, where is the bird? There. And do we know where the hippo is? Where's the hippo? Oh no. Okay, we'll find him. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye, sweetie. Put the bird where he goes. Good girl. Bye.